That worked out really nicely.
We just got the paddle delaminated. We're gonna test it. This is a very controversial video. Share it right away because our last two got taken down. This video is about delaminating our paddles. Taylor approached me the other day because he's noticed a lot of power coming off my paddle.
Crazy. They were ripping winners by me.
So I like to always have 1 or 2 paddles in my bag that are delaminated for the extra performance. Some are considering that unethical, but listen, I don't do that in tournaments, but I do it in rec play as needed.
Your level of play went up dramatically. And I just want the same for my game.
That's why we're here. So I've got a gentleman by the name of Hans Johan who actually delaminates paddles. He's arriving any moment. Yeah. And for a fee, he will delaminate my paddles. Yeah, so I told you what he charges.
Yeah. Oh, I'll pay whatever.
Yeah, what do you have here? Okay, yeah, 140. I know it's like the price of a paddle, but it's like 2 paddles though. I'll give that to him. We'll get right to it.
Thank you.
Yeah, Hans is pulling up right now. I won't say exactly where I met him or his contact information is not readily available, but yeah, he's here. Hey, nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
Hans, right?
Hans, yeah.
Andre.
Andre?
Yeah.
Heard you need some D-lam services.
Yeah, that's what you're here for, right?
That's right. You got the money?
Yeah, sorry about that. So this is for 1 paddle. It's 140, and then I've got 2 other paddles to do. I got more money.
You filming this? What's up with this camera guy?
Yeah, sorry. It's just for private use. Yeah, you can you can sit up here.
Get some tools out here.
Oh, so do you use those to clamp it down or something?
Yeah,
okay.
You might want one of these.
Oh, okay.
Safety, you know. Let's get some of this paint and all right.
I've got a paddle here for Hans to delaminate. You can explain to me how you do it, and then I will then explain it to the audience.
Well, first of all, feel this. Feel that?
Yeah.
That's solid. There's no D-lam on this paddle at all.
Yeah.
Step 1 is you got to soften it up a little bit, right?
Okay.
You do that by applying force.
Okay.
Flip the side.
So you
have to do both sides.
Seems like you'd break the paddle. No, it seems like it's intact.
This is completely intact. Now feel that. See that? It's already starting to soften up a little bit.
Can I try it?
Feel that?
Yeah,
Feel that?
yeah.
Okay.
I felt that.
All
Okay.
Right. Now step 2 is we have to gain access to the inside of the paddle. And we do that through making a small incision near the handle base. Does that make sense?
It does. Oh, here. Let me help you. Okay. So all the way through then. Kind of seems like you're ruining your paddle, but I guess it actually is.
Oh no, we're gonna fill that in later, so you won't even notice it. We have some other tools here that we use to access the interior. Ease in here like that. See that?
Yeah.
And perfect.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Now you try it. Yep.
Okay, so I'm coming in here. See how you're just getting it started there.
Yep, great technique. So now we're gonna heat up the paddle a little bit to help that D-lam process really take full effect.
I'm gonna just hold this right
Yeah,
here.
you just hold it right here. Try not to move it at all. Okay, that worked out really nicely.
That seemed very warm.
Go ahead and flip it over. Perfect.
I think you did it less on that side.
No,
Does that matter?
I did it just the right amount.
I don't want to see it again though.
Okay, one more time.
It feels warm in my hand. It feels like it's gonna separate. So
Yeah, no, it's already separating. I mean, if you could touch it, wait till it cools down a little bit. But you're gonna just feel that nice spongy
how many paddles
effect.
would you say you've delaminated?
Oh man, so many.
For the final step, you said, what do I do?
Yep, you got to clean it a little bit, wipe it down real nice, get off any of those resins that might have been on there from the heating process, and then I think you'll be good to go.
Okay, so honestly, I want to go try it out. All right, we're here for the real test. We just got the paddle delaminated. This is the paddle that we did, and here we go. We're gonna test it.
Oh, dang it!
Dude, did that hurt?
Yeah, did you see that? Check out the ball. I bet there's a dent in it.
Oh my gosh.
Did you see
that? Are you serious?
Yeah, off one hit.
That was just
That's
right
the
off of this
difference.
paddle.
That's
cool.
the difference.
All right, here, you try this paddle. It hits really hard. I want you to feel some of your work, so.
Okay. Was that pretty hard?
It was really hard, I think.
Yeah. You can really feel the difference, I'm telling you. Oh, see that? Already showing up.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to get your paddle delaminated, make sure you just comment below and we'll contact you. Don't contact us. Right?
Right.
Well, listen, we just want to thank you so much for coming out, and of course I paid you.
Yeah.
But for doing this process for our YouTube viewers, both of them. And if you like the video, like I said, thumbs up, share it before it gets taken down. Our last one, like I said, was taken down. It's unfortunate.
Yeah, well.
Why do you think that is?
I mean, there's just, who can say, really, right? I mean, people...
I think it's controversial.
Maybe, but it's also educational. And I think people have a right to know how to better their pickleball game, right? We're all just trying to get a little bit better.